It's Vince with Homestead Sage. I just wanted to show you something. We've got an in-duct UVC application here. You can see right above my head here, I've got the template in place to install the lights. The issue is that this duct is a little bit too narrow in order to fit a regular fixture in with bulbs that go straight up and down because it's too shallow. And so what we have is this right here. And so this is a Lumalier fixture that's got 60 watt bulbs in it, 2 of them. And they've got these angle brackets that allow you to put it into a tight spot that are off at a 45-degree angle instead of going straight up. And so it gives you a little bit more space to work with. And so I'm going to go ahead and install this and show you how it works. So we're going to go ahead and take this and just stick it right up in here like so. Just like that. And then that's all there is to it. Pretty straightforward, and it works really well in tight applications where you don't have enough room inside of your air handler or your duct.